watching Minahila YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share about a special moment which is my Sehri routine. So yeah, today is the second fast and I'm going to share a video about my Sehri routine, how I used to make my Sehri and how I used to eat or what we do in Sehri and all of my Sehri routine. So yeah, and first of all, happy Ramadan to everyone from me. Happy wishes to you everyone. May this Ramadan brings happiness for all of us. So firstly, my mom is preparing chapati material. In my Sehri routine, we will eat chapati. Yeah. Now she's rolling the chapati and she's put it in the pan onto the fire flame and she's so our chapati is going to be ready. This is our first chapati. So first chapati is ready. May this Ramadan brings a lot of love, and I hope that after this Ramadan coronavirus will be finished. I hope so that we can just heat up ourselves and the coronavirus will be finished from all the world. And I just pray for everyone. So this is my chapati which is in square shape. Yeah. So mom is going to make this for me. Only I eat this. No one else eat this because it's heavy. But I like it's so tasty. My mom usually adds banaspati ghee on it, so it becomes heavy, but I love it. And cook it properly on both of the sides. Yeah guys, my chapati looks like this, so delicious and tasty. Now we are making scrambled omelette in our Sehri. Then add banaspati ghee in it. Now add all the vegetables. And fry it properly. Add spices, add salt according to your taste. Then add red chili powder according to your taste. Then add red chili flakes according to your taste. Then add turmeric powder according to taste. Then add garam masala according to your taste. Then add jeera according to your taste. And in the last, add black pepper according to your taste. Then add eggs according to your requirement. We are having 3 eggs according to our mixture. And mix it well properly. So the mixture cook properly and mixing it and try to make become tasty and taste better. Then add the paneer for our toast and then your scrambled omelette is routine is ready. We mostly eat these in our Sehri. So guys, after doing the Sehri, I'm going to wash the dishes within a second. This is all the dishes I have to wash. So I wanted to wash the dishes. I hope you like the content too. So share it, why not? So I'm gonna wash dishes, yeah. So yeah guys, all kitchen is clean here. I hope you like my content, you like my Sehri routine. This is how we usually make our Sehri routine. This is my Sehri routine for every day we do in Ramadan. So I hope you like my content. If you like more of these content you want, then comment me in the comment box. Share this video as much as you can, and don't forget to like my video. Yeah, so then press the bell icon for upcoming video, and stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video, inshallah.